Hello all, my name is Satyendra and I am an system administrator in an IT company from last few years. And today I'm going to show you how to install Server 2016, or better I say how to upgrade Server 2012 R2 into 2012 6 into Server 2016. Actually, I'm showing you this because last week I was having issue while I'm installing Server 2016 in my personal virtual machine. So let me show you what issue I was having. For that, first of all, I have to create a virtual machine. Uh, as you may all know that how to create a virtual machine and attach any OS. Let's do it now. Right, next, next. Here I'm using VMware Workstation, and now on this step we have to attach our installer disk image. So I'm attaching my installer disk image for Server 2016. So here is my Server 2016 ISO file, which I'm going to attach. Okay, now we have to do next, and here I have to provide the key, product key. So yeah, I already have some product key. Yeah, I just got this key from internet. So let's try this one. This is a data center key. Okay, let's see will it work or not. Give a username and a password. Confirm password and hit next. And here you have to give location where you want to put your server file. So I'm putting my server, my E drive. Okay, okay. Now next, next. All will be default. One more thing. Here we required RAM 2 GB because 2016 required at least 1 GB RAM. Sorry, 2 GB RAM. In prior version in 2012 R2 you can use 1 GB RAM, but here it is recommended that we have to use only 2 GB, not less than 2 GB, and it will support up to 64 GB. So let's take our least requirement to 2 GB and do it next. Okay, host only mode. Okay, next, 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 next. Take 60 GB. Okay, fine. My VMDK file is, yeah, okay, fine. So let's finish it. Okay, so now you will see what issue I was having last week. It will take a while. We have to keep patience. Now, as you can see here, there is no image available. There is no, you can say, installation image available, like data center or standard edition. There's no edition is available. So it was the issue what I was having last week. So okay, let me show you the next alternate option. We have to cancel it. Okay, yes. Now I'm going to upgrade 2012 R2 into 2012 2016 server 2016. So let me show you that. So now this is my server 2012 R2 which I already installed. Let's upgrade our this server into server 2016. For that, our first step have to be attach 2016 ISO file in RVM. For that, we have to go settings under disks, attach ISO disk. Let's browse. My the ISO disk is here. Yeah, 2016. Just attach the disk and don't forget to check the box connected. Otherwise, you will not able to see the disk. Okay, no, that's fine. Okay, as you can see on the message, tap to choose what happened with this disk. Okay, let's open it from here. Huh. So here you can see the disk, this one. So you just need to double click on this disk and yes, now it will start execution. Okay, now it's preparing the system. So it will take a while. We have to keep patience. Yeah. Now here, download and install updates. No, I don't. Not right now. We don't want any updates. So just choose the not right now button and click next. I want to keep make installation of Windows better. And click next. Now it's here. It's checking your PC. Now here we want to select the edition which we want to install. So here we can choose data center or standard edition. And remember one thing, as in earlier version in 2012 R2, there is an option to convert from core to GUI version, but here there is no such option is available. If once you install a evolution version, which is also known as core version, then you will not able to migrate it from this evolution to desktop, which is a GUI version. So better you choose the correct option as your requirement. So I'm going with the GUI, which is desktop expression, yeah, desktop experience. So hit the enter, hit the next. There's nothing. Yeah, accept. Keep personal file, nothing. Yeah, nothing. Okay. Do you want to continue using this selection? Yes. Here you can see the memory. Yeah, this is the RAM which I'm using 2 GB, which is the recommendation, least recommendation for 2016. Otherwise, it will not able to install 2016. So keep this in mind that use at least 2 GB of RAM. Okay, what is showing? To recap, you are choosing to. Okay, okay, nothing. Yeah, exactly what I chose. Now install. I think it is going to take some time. Okay, on this step, I will forward my video so that video length would be reduced. Okay, now it's almost done. Here we have to choose region, language, and our keyboard. So, as I'm from India, so I have to choose India and English India. Okay, now fine. Let's go next. Accept. Now here I have to choose a password. Finish. Now it's almost ready. And let it come up. Really, upgradation take a lot of time. So now, here you can see it looks like Windows 10. Okay, let's enter our password. Why it's keep processing? Okay, now hit the password. Now our server 2016 is ready. Let it come up. Now here it is. Yeah, it's completely look like Windows 10. Here you can find the difference between server and Windows, server and desktop OS. Yeah, here you having server manager, administrative tool. Let's open server manager. And also let me show you the system property. So here it is the system property. Uh, Earlier it was Windows Server 2012 R2, but right now it's become 2016. And if you hit on activate window, it's really taking time. Yeah, here you can see the option change your product key because it's using the key which we used at the time of installation of Windows Server 2012 R2. So it's using R2 2012 R2 key, product key. And here we can change the key, but I don't have key, so I'm going with the same key which I already having from 2012 R2. So that's it. It's the easiest way I found to install Windows Server 2016 Data Center Evolution. So thank you guys. I hope you like the video. If you like, you can subscribe and like it. And if you have any query, you can write it on comment. I will try to resolve your issues and query. So, bye bye.